Hey, we just got this limited Palisade in. Let's take it for a drive. Has the select shift, which is really cool. Of course, the backup camera and the bird's eye view. Makes it so easy to drive. I'm already in reverse. All right, we're just gonna take it around the loop here. Buckle up, let's go. The Limited has camera in the dash, so you can see the lane beside you. If you're changing lanes, you can see everything in whatever side that you're turning. It's a very cool feature. Only available in the Limited. Take a look around. The leather is so nice. It has the quilted vented seats in the front and the rear. If you're looking for a new family vehicle, this is what you want. This thing seats 7 so comfortably. It is absolutely the new family ride. You don't want the gas guzzling big giant SUVs. This is what you want. And I don't know if you can see that, but there again, that's that camera in your turn lane. Shows the curb. And let's just give this a little bit of a punch here. Wow, that pickup is crazy. Lane keep assist. It's not going to let me veer outside the lane. We're just here on Panther Creek in Morristown. So pretty today. And we're gonna make this right. When we get here to the stoplight, I'll open up the panoramic roof that is also there in the back. Check that out. This vehicle is equipped with a roof rack. Just gives it a different look. When we get back, I'll show you what it looks like from the outside. 2020 Palisade Limited. It is front wheel drive. The window sticker is $47,060. It has carpeted floor mats, a cargo tray that goes all the way up the seat back. It has splash trims and the cross rack rails, which again I think gives it a really awesome look. You can see it has the special wheels on the 2020 Palisade Limited only. Those are special wheels for the Limited. I'm going to open this driver door one more time. Let's take a look inside. You can see that light beige trim has the black piping. So these carpeted mats, this goes all the way up the back. It has fully power seats. They recline. They also fold with just the punch of a button. That is so convenient. You got your hands full. You've got the kids, the dogs, the soccer balls, whatever equipment you've got. Eventually we'll be able to play sports again. This is going to come in handy. Fully adjustable. If you're short like me, you can set that height. If you're tall, if your husband's tall, you can raise it up so that you can get in under it really easily too. Another neat thing. And come on back here to the back seat, and you can see the room that has back there. Like I said earlier, if you have been shopping for a Palisade, you know how hard the Limited is to get a hold of. If you have not driven a Palisade yet and you're shopping for a larger SUV, you have got to give the Palisade a try. It is an absolutely amazing vehicle. Rides like a dream. It has all the room in the world, and the price tag, you can't compare road. Come give it a try.